So, stress ka na sa trabaho mo at hindi mo alam yung gagawin. So, I have three tips for you to do. Okay, para hindi ka ma-stress sa trabaho. So, basically, you've been overwhelmed, ang dami mong gagawin, ang daming task dun sa plate mo, queuing, ang daming calls, ang daming email, ang daming utos ni TL, supervisor, ni manager. Hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo. Late ka na mag-log out, late ka na umuwi, hindi ka na rin kumakain, hindi ka na nagla-lunch, hindi ka na rin nakikipag-usap sa ibang tao. So, anong gagawin mo para hindi ka ma-overwhelm, feel overwhelmed, feeling tired, fatigue, stress? So, number one tip ko is basically you find time to connect with yourself. Okay, find time to probably give 5 minutes of your time. Take a quick minute break, 5 minute break. Labas ka, get some fresh air, meditate, connect with your spirit, connect with God. Okay, pray. So basically, find time to connect with your soul, connect with your spirit. Okay, and then eventually you're gonna feel better. Okay, then number two is basically think as if you're doing your tasks for good. Okay, so if you do the email, you take one call, you take care of one customer, you take care of your boss, you take care of your TL supervisor. Think as if you're doing a good deed, kindness. Okay? So that way you will feel proud. Mas maging proud ka sa sarili mo para hindi mo isipin na walang kwenta tong ginagawa ko. Ang dami na namang gagawin, wala namang makikinig, mangingialam or walang pakialam. So basically do that. So that way you will feel proud na you're doing something which is good for other people. And number three is do something good today. Help someone, help someone dun sa task nila, kahit super overwhelmed ka na, help another being. Okay? That's good for you too.